What is up guys, done at the site. In this video I'm going to show you how you can connect your Giphy to Base44. So first you need to head over to your Base44's website and then you need to log in with your Base44's account credential. After that, when you're redirected to the app section, click on integration section, and from here you need to click on create integration. After clicking on create integration, here you need to write the name of the integration, which is Giphy. And after that I will just simply add Giphy connection here in the description. And after adding it, I'll just simply click on continue to integration content. And from here in the secret name, I will again type Giphy. And after typing here, I need the API key. So to get the API key, I need to head over to Giphy developers. So to head over to the Giphy developers, you first need to enter the Giphy.com's website. And then you need to just hover to the three dots and then click on developers. After clicking on developers here, you will see the option of API Explorer. Simply click on it once and then click on create an API key. After clicking on create an API key here, you will see the option to create your new API key. And from here, you can see the option to create an API key. Simply click on it once. And after that, here you will see the option of API. Click on API. And after clicking on API, here you need to click on next step. After clicking on next step, here you need to enter the API name. I will go with Giphy. And after that, here you need to enter the app description. Here in the app description, you need to check this checkbox and then you need to click on create API key. I will go with the web platform and then I'll click on create API key to create my new API key. And after that, when the API key is created, here you just simply need to copy this API key. And after copying this API key, you need to head back to page 44 and then paste this API key and then click on add API key. And then the API key has been added. After that, you need to again copy this API key in the implementation guide and then add some characters for making the 50 characters. And after that, click on save integration to save it. And this is how you can successfully create a connection between Base44 and Giphy. So that was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.